Today I'm going to be giving you some ideas on how you as an author can set up promises to your audience that will leave them immersed and excited for what's coming. Now what do I mean when I say promises? Is it a pinky swear? Is it a song by Nero? Is it something your dad breaks when he says he's going to get you a Yu-Gi-Oh! Duel Disc for Christmas in 2008 and then he doesn't, and you pretend you're not salty about it but you've still got it on your watch list on eBay at age 25? No, I'm on about setting up the promise of expectations and conventions. This is us as authors setting the tone for what is to come in the following pages. We can do this in many ways, but the first thing we're going to do is define our genre. Yes, I know that many of you see genre as a dirty word, but from a literary agent and a publisher perspective, they want to categorize your book so that they can target specific audiences and reader bases for an effective campaign. And from a consumer perspective, you're not restricting your piece by assigning a label, you're honing in on what to expect. If I go to the shop and I want a lasagna, I'm not going to go and pick something that says frozen pre-prepared pasta cake with filling. No, I'm going to find the one that says exactly what I'm looking for, frozen beef lasagna. And it's the same with the book. I'm not going to go and buy a romance, sci-fi, erotica, comedy, murder drama. I'm going to buy a crime fiction, possibly with a subgenre of comedy. So how do we go about setting this tone? We build it into our opener. A good first page of a novel will explain what it's setting up to achieve. In Pride and Prejudice, it opens by describing a wealthy man without a wife. However, it's written in a way that lets us know that it's going to have themes of satire and comedy in it. If I was after a straight up drama, I'm not going to read it. But if I'm looking for an era specific comedy, I'm going to eat that up, aren't I? Because they're promising me what's to come. So we're going to do the same with our writing. Let's start. First things first, research your genre. Make sure that you understand the conventions, the themes, and the common elements of your genre that you're writing in. Whether it's science fiction, romance, mystery, or any other genre, knowing your expectations is crucial for your readers to understand. Opening scene. Your opening scene should provide a little snapshot of the tone that you want to convey. So, for example, in a romance novel, maybe introduce a romantic moment or interaction. In a mystery, maybe start with a puzzle or a crime. In a fantasy, immerse the readers in a fantastical world setting or a scenario. Character introductions. The characteristics, the actions, and the dialogue that your characters can all set the tone. In a romance, your characters may engage in playful banter. Next up, dialogue. The way that your characters speak can reveal a lot about the tone. In a science fiction story, you might include more technical jargon. In a soft mystery, the dialogue may become more witty. Pacing. The pacing of your story can influence the tone. A fast-paced thriller could start with an exciting event, whereas a comedy might start with a slow burn joke or a setup to an elaborate prank. With all these in mind, go forwards, setting up your novel with the expectations and delivering on those promises of the genre that you have laid out to your audience. Just a quick one, but that's it from me today. I will chat to you soon. Feel free to leave a comment below on how you are getting on with NaNoWriMo and let me know if there's anything you need, advice or support wise, and I will do my best to help you out. Bye bye.